Good day everyone. My name is Roman Angelo M. Paigones from BSIT3B. For today, ito po yung aking output-based examination na pinamagatang examination focus on SQL queries and simple data mining. So first na gagawin natin, which is ito. Ayan. So retrieve all primary products from the database and organize them based on size. So ano nga ba sinasabi dito? I-retrieve down natin yung pinaka-primary product and i-organize them natin in by size. So punta tayo dito sa ating database. So according to select natin ating product. Okay. Then on natin. Product. Then order by. P size. Then, i-ascending natin. Okay. So, check natin kung gaano siya. Okay. Submit lang natin. Ayan. As you can see, ito yung ating table product. So, ang sabi doon, retrieve natin yung lahat ng primary product. So, ito yon. Then, i-ascending natin yung ating P size. So, based on nakikita ninyo, ito ate yung P size. Ito yung kanyang table. Ayan. Naka-arrangement siya into ascending. From first, capital letter, L, tapos medium, large, and medium. So, yan po, ganyan po gumagana yung ascending. So, next na po na gagawin natin, i-list lang natin to. Ayan, punta po tayo dito. Then, second, obtain the product set to expire in August from the product table. So, ano nga ba sinasabi dito? I-obtain down natin yung product, then i-set natin yung expiration into August, which is, ang ibig sabihin dito, yung data na makikita natin is naka-set siya into August expiration. So, pupunta tayo dito. Yan. Sabi, select all. Okay. Type natin yung from product. Okay. Then where? Okay, change lang natin konti. Okay. From product. Okay. Where? Check lang. Sorry. Karoon ng problema. Where month? Close parenthesis. Wait, hanapin ko lang. Cross parenthesis. P. Then X. Pay date. Big letter. Kasi nandun yan mismo sa ating pangalan ng table. Equals 8, which mean 8, yan yung arrangement ni August sa ating calendar, which is pang 8 siya. So, tingnan natin kung magano to. Okay, as you can see, ito na yung ating table. Kinol natin lahat ng product. Then, makikita ninyo, ayan, naka-arrangement siya, and pinakita lamang niya kung ano yung expiration date ng August. Ayan, as you can see, 8888. Yan lang yung mga product na may expiration ng August. Okay. Next naman na gagawin natin, yung ating number 3. So, ano sinasabi dito? Calculate the total sales from the product cart table, included product name, size, and quantity. So, sabi nga dito, i-calculate natin yung total sales from the product cart table, including yung name, product name, size, and quantity. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Okay. Punta tayo dito sa ating gray. Gray na natin to. Ayan. So, ang sabi rito, select the product name. Product name. Then, size. Then sum product quantity. Quantities next as alias. Alright, papangalan natin siya total total quantity. Okay. Sum, i-add natin total, then bibigyan natin siya ng alias na pangalan ay total sale. Okay lang, total sales. Okay, from product cart. Ibig sabihin, ipag-add natin yung mga product name, magkakabuo tayo ng quantities doon mismo sa ating product cart. Okay. Group by group by product name. Name, size, then check natin kung meron siya product name. Okay, para may iwasan natin yung error. Quantity ascending, okay, check na natin. Ayan, as you can see, nakabuo na tayo ng ating table at eto na yung resulta. Ito yung ating table, product name, size, then tinotal yung quantity. Meron tayo dito lumabas na total quantity and yung total sale. Add natin yung mga component na meron doon sa ating products. So ayan, so ganun lang siya ginagamit para may add lang natin yung specific product na hinahanap natin. So ganyan lang siya. So next, ano na gagawin natin? Yan, buray lang natin to. Yan, balik tayo dito. Pang-apat na tayo, guys. Retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. So ibig sabihin, i-retrieve lang natin lahat ng record from the sales table and i-group natin siya by date. Okay? So, select, sabi retrieve all select natin. Select the date uploaded is sum then ascending, which is papangalanan natin siya ng total sale. Total sales, okay, from sales. Next, group by group na natin siya. Group by date. Uploaded.
Sino natapos? Last. Sino?
Wala namang problema. So, total sale, gaya ng sinasabi rito, i-group down natin by date. So, try natin kung gana siya, everyone. Ayan. So, gumana siya. Nagpakita yung ating table and pinakita yung pinaka-uploaded. Ayan, sinort niya by date. Ayan. Uploaded. Date uploaded and total sale. Ayan siya. So, ganun lang siya pinapagana. Next naman tayo. Yung ating pinaka-last. Last, determine the number of entries in the product cart. Determine the number. Okay. Sabi rito, determine. Paano yan? Paano? Di select, count. Then, all. Ganyan lang siya. Ascending. Pangalanan natin siya. Num entries. Check. From product cart. Product cart. Gagana kaya to. Tingnan natin. Yan. As you can see, lumabas yung ating table and pinakita yung number of entries na merong value na 11. So, yan lang po for today's yung aking midterm examination. So, thank you po everyone.